How to turn off tracking on Android. Your Android phone tracks your location and activity by default. Want more privacy? Here's how you can stop tracking. So go to settings, and then once you're on the settings, go ahead and locate the location settings. So scroll down to look for that and then select location setting and make sure to disable use location services. So this will allow you to stop constant GPS tracking. Now, you can also check which apps have location, microphone, or camera access by heading over to settings, apps, permissions, and disable what you don't trust. Some apps track in your background, so you can use the settings, background storage, limits, or adaptive battery to restrict them. And that is how you can basically turn off tracking on Android. Turning off tracking on Android in 2025 is simple. Disable location is just go privacy and restrict app permissions. Your phone, your privacy. And that is how you can basically stop tracking on Android. Which privacy settings do you use the most?